At Byron Middle School, career and technical education looks like a full house on community night. Families walk through tables of custom jewelry, fresh-baked cookies, wood projects, and student-made cups and mugs.
We've got a ton of details like Christmas colors, Byron Bear details, and we've got cups that you have a lid on that you can unscrew and screw back on. We've also got cups for like coffee and stuff where you can just close this and then reopen it so you can just drink out of that.
Joe and his classmates designed their own artwork, then learned how to apply it to the drinking vessels they sold to raise money for a new outdoor classroom.
So tonight's our showcase. It's kind of the Super Bowl for us. It's an opportunity for the community to come in to see everything that their kids are making. We have multiple laser engravers, we have CNC machines, we make porch signs, sublimations, decals, all these different types of materials. And the community comes in, there's probably over 1,000 people that come through. Our kids run the entire shop. They sell everything as a fundraiser, and we take that money and we either throw it back into our community or back into this year something that our school is going to be using. We do the design thinking process. We go through each little part of that. We test our ideas. We make prototypes, usually out of cardboard or something like that. And then they will actually design, create, sell, come up with all the costs, all the things that go into what it would take to, create and sell a product.
We put a lot of hard work into these, and I feel like making these was an achievement.
The big thing, I think, is just the connection to different businesses, and that's how we found one of the people where she comes in, and she tells us what she wants, we make some things, and she actually puts it in her store, which is really cool.
With teachers like Marcus Lalou leading the way, community support and student creativity are working together to grow CTE opportunities in Byron.